it? Long time no see. It's me, BJ Akui. Today, I'll teach you guys past tense sentences in Pidgin. Okay? Unlike other languages like English, where we have to, change the word and stuff like that, we don't do that in Pidgin. We just put the word when. And we don't put stuff like drive become drove. We say drive. For example, we don't say I drove to the store. We say I went drive store. We don't say I watched a movie. We say I went watch a movie. We don't say I beat you up. We say I went broke your face. Okay? So remember that. In Pidgin, we always put when. Okay? Past tense, negative, is never. I never go store. I never drive. I never first crack that burger. Okay, so remember that. Past tense and the negative form of the past tense. Okay, don't forget. Mahalo for watching this episode, and if you like them, no shame walao, and like that button. Oh, don't forget, subscribe. And if you like Olelo Hawaii language kind stuff, subscribe still yet. I get that stuff too on Mondays. If you're a K-pop fan, well, too bad I don't do that anymore. Too much, hassle with that. Anyways, aloha and ahui ho.